Let's lay them all out so we can see, okay?
Toby!
Yes, I know you're looking for Toby. You find, he found Toby. That's what he was yelling, Toby.
Pursue.
You're looking for Percy? Who's this? Who's this?
Pursue.
No, who's this one?
Pussy.
That's Emily.
Abby.
Put Emily on Emily. Where's Emily?
Pursue.
That's Emily. Who else are we looking for? Want Harold?
Harold.
Here's Harold. Let me give you a hand there, bud. There we go. Okay, here's Harold. You want Harold?
Harold.
Yeah, there's Harold. Where's Harold go? And who's this?
Pursue.
That's Spencer. Yes, that's Spencer. Where's Spencer go? Yes, and who's this?
Hat.
Sir Topham Hatt. Where does Sir Topham Hatt go?
Wait.
What?
Mm.
That's about the way he's doing things, though. Let's find Percy so we can handle Percy. Oh, you done? Oh, good job. I see. Put it on that side. That's fine. Here's another Harold.
Game.
Oh, let me see. Let me see. That's
Game.
no. This is
Game.
no. That's not James. That we'll have to find another one for that one.
Hi.
That's Mavis.
That's right. That's Mavis. I don't have my glass. Who's this?
Pussy.
Yes, that's Percy. Would you like to put Percy on the track? Where does he belong? Look on the other page. Look on this page. Look here. Over here.
Push.
Yeah. Very good.
So push. So hold it.
And here's another one.